notion, because I've been on the university team for several years, and last time, 2 years ago, was so wonderful, and I just sort of had these expectations. And the first day we went half a day to the university and then half a day to the high school, and they wanted us to come back to the high school. They were very eager for us to come back, and some of us were really pushing, like, we just want to get to the university and do what we thought we were going to be doing. But we invited the fun team, the high school team, to come. We said, they're a high school ministry, let's have them come, and they came and did their drama. They just opened the atmosphere, and the most powerful part of that was when they started to pray. More people came instead of, a lot of times where we live, people will come for the music and then they hear people start to pray and they sort of wander off. Well, this was different. More people came. The crowd doubled during the prayer. It was so powerful. And then they went on, they had another ministry to do, and then a few of us stayed behind, and they said we were going to just, talk to 20 people in a classroom and go here and there. Well, instead, they brought the whole school through 4 assemblies, one after the other. These, 3 engineers who never gave an altar call or a testimony in front of a crowd. We were all just stretched, and God he glorified Himself. And I just, that morning I just said, I'm here to do whatever, go wherever, and do whatever God wants me to do. I'm just going to set aside any preconceived notion of what this is about and just say, God, do a new thing. And He did. And so I just encourage you, it's like today's a new day, and it's not going to be the same. It's just, God is inviting to do that new thing, and it's even better, way better.